And the rough early lead is taken by the favorite Shining Armor, the surgeon on the outside in second, Lucky Lord 9 Dragon, and All My Life. And heading for the backstretch, it is still the favorite Shining Armor, leading the field by 3.5 lengths. The surgeon running in second, 9 Dragon on the outside, in third by the rail, All My Life, and Lucky Lord is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, it is still Shining Armor by 3.5 lengths, followed by the Surgeon, 9 Dragon on the outside, in third, All My Life and Lucky Lord. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Shining Armor by 3.5 lengths, followed by the Surgeon, and 9 Dragon moving up on the outside, All My Life. And on the inside is Lucky Lord. And nearing the far turn, it is still Shining Armor, followed by the Surgeon moving up on the inside, Lucky Lord, and 9 Dragon on the farther outside. Rounding the far turn, it is still the favorite Shining Armor by 3.5 lengths, followed by Lucky Lord in second, and All My Life on the outside in third, 9 Dragon, and the Surgeon. The last bend for home, it is still entry number 1, the favorite Shining Armor in the lead, followed by Lucky Lord on the outside, All My Life, 9 Dragon on the farther outside, the Surgeon. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still entry number 1, and that is Shining Armor, followed by Lucky Lord on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 1, Shining Armor, Lucky Lord, 9 Dragon, All My Life, and the Surgeon.
Okay, crossing the wire first. The heavy favorite entry number 1, Shine.